Hey everyone, we've just launched a powerful new update to our PDF compressor, and it's going to save you a ton of time. You can now upload multiple PDFs at once and compress them all in one go. No more uploading files one by one. Just select all your PDFs together, choose your compression level, and download each compressed file separately. Fast, simple, and efficient. Whether you're a student submitting assignments, a professional sharing documents, or managing bulk files for work, this update is designed to make your workflow smoother than ever. Plus, you still get smart compression options, strong compression for sharing, hidden data removal, and optimized scan pages, all directly in your browser. If you deal with PDFs regularly, this is a game changer. Try it now. Click the link in the description of our Instagram, Facebook, or visit our website to start compressing smarter today. Let's make PDFs lighter and workflows faster.